The search for missing beauty queen Geneva Lopez continues. The Tarlac police will form a special investigation group for the case. Lopez and her Israeli boyfriend have been reported missing since June 21. Her belongings, including her ID, were discovered in a burnt car in Capas. Lopez joined Mutya ng Pilipinas, Pampanga 2024 as a representative of Santo Tomas. I remember may lumabas na video na merong nag-report na may nasusunog nga na kotse. Tapos live niya pang na-capture yung sunog. Tapos yun na pala yung yun na pala yung hinahanap nila na kotse nga na ginamit or pagmamay-ari nga nitong
kinakabahan ako ganyan pag sunog kasi usually yung mga kriminal pag nagsusunog na they're cleaning up evidence so para hindi matrace back sa kanila.
Actually nga nitong I was reading about it. Nito lang over the weekend nagkaroon na meron ng reward. A reward is now being offered doon nga sa makapagbibigay ng any information regarding itong pagkawala nung magkasintahan. Diba? Tapos meron sila 250,000 yung kanilang binibigay na reward kung sino man makapagbibigay ng information.
Parang yung brother ata ng Israeli was saying na wala naman silang shady deals, wala naman silang, yung brother niya wala naman daw nakakaaway, di ba? Not that they know of, wala naman daw na kwento sa kanyang may nakakaalitan masyado. Diba?
They were supposed to go to a property in Capas kasi parang may tinitignan sila
may
doon to buy.
May broker silang kasama ata.
Hindi ko alam kung may broker or may meet.
May meet sila.
Pero they were supposed to buy kasi nga a property there. Yun yung huling information tungkol sa kanila.
Kaya mag-ingat, di ba?
Pero parang meron ako nababasa pero I have yet to confirm that. Hindi ko pa masyado alam. Na parang may nagsasabi na parang friend ni girl na dati din daw parang niyayaya siya umalis nito ng boyfriend, ganyan-ganyan. So I have yet to confirm that. I have to double-check the information regarding.
Kaya nga, if you're going to make transactions to buy a car or a house, don't bring cash daw. Bring a manager's check. Oo. Kasi
baka may nakatunog yun, na may dala silang pera.
Sana kung hindi mo kilala yung kausap mo at may cash ka, baka magdilim ang paningin ng mga kausap mo kung hindi mo kilala, di ba? Kaya nga ang style dyan, bring a manager's check. Pag clear na ang transaction, di ba, it's either pwede nyo i-encash nearest bank sa loob ng bangko para safe kayo or mag-online kayo.
Hopefully, di ba, makakuha pa tayo ng iba pang impormasyon at mahanap na nga itong dalawa. Kasi June 21 when it was reported that they are missing.